everyone. So in this video we will see how to use monitor and how we can leverage the process advisor to help us identifying the correct candidate for the automation. So this is our PowerAutomate cloud platform. So in this platform I have my flows here. I have only one cloud flows, desktop flows, and all those are there. So let's see in the monitor. If you see in the monitor provides us the status. If you see whether flow runs successfully or any error or anything, it will display here. Okay, if any notification, if failures, it will show here. Okay, it all activity will display everything. So this one I ran just some time before, so that's why it is showing it today. So then let's go see the desktop flow runs. You can see desktop flow runs and how much succeeded, how much failed, duration, and everything you can see here. Okay, you can see check the real-time health and status of the gateway and desktop flow running on them. Okay, you can on auto refresh. So if you click here, it will auto refresh. No need to manually click on refresh, it will automatically refresh if it is real-time deployed at any customer site. Okay, then let's go to process advisor. In process advisor, actually you can see it has two parts, create and process. Okay, so it is in preview now. So if you see the create portion, it has like build a process, then add to a process. These two actions we have to do. And if I have existing processes, so here is a process. I have a data entry process is here. So if you see this process advisor, actually if you go to the solution component, so if you see these two components has been added, process mining anchor and process mining. Okay, you can see all the components. What are the components are there? Process mining has analyze, analyze process, then security role, then process ingest one process, then there are different plugins also there, and then tables also there. It is in Dataverse. So then other solution components, then tables, Dataverse, then plugins and processes, and this process also table is there in the Dataverse. So if you see what exactly the implication of this process advisor, it helps in process mining. It helps us to identify the correct candidate which is required for automation. Click on create. So first step is create a process. So I will create the process invoice process. Okay, I'll just name it invoice process. So next is share this process, add a recording, view all processes. That is not there, but my second step is add a recording. Share this process, no need now. So I'm adding a recording. So if you see, it is opening PowerAutomate desktop. Open, and you can see when you are done, come back here to view a recording and get it ready for analysis. Okay, so the step is like first create the process, then second is start recording, record the process. After recording is done, you can analyze the process after categorization. Okay, so it is the recording window. This one we saw already when we are doing the desktop automation. And let me start recording. Let's say I have some visitors came to my office for invoice. So I want to enter the visitor information, and if any invoicing is required, I will proceed with the invoicing. Okay, so first, what is the action user need to perform? He has to open the visitor information, right? So here is the visitor information is there, right? You can see there are these informations are there for visitor. So what I need to do, I need to go to my application, invoicing application. So this move item, it is added, no need to do this. After that, if you go to visitors, the information it is asking name, symptoms, notes, right? So here we have already name is Raj, symptom is meet manager regarding tender. Okay, so I will use the same. I will copy this, paste the name Raj here, then I will copy meet manager, paste the symptom here, copy the notes and paste in notes. Okay, I am done with the entry. Then what I will do, I will save the changes. So visitor entry has been done already. So let's say regarding tender means maybe he is asking for the invoice. Let's say he is asking for the invoice. I'll come here in invoice. It is asking the account. Okay, account, it's asking account name, then contact is the email ID and the amount. So let me go and check in the account first. Yes, there is a Raj entry is there. Raj, this is Raj at the test.com, right? So this is mine. I'll copy this. This is this amount. I place the amount, let's say $1,000. Status, let's say I'll make it invoiced. Save changes. Once the changes has been saved, I'll close this and I'll finish this recording. So once I finish this recording, you can see on top saving your recording. Your recording was saved. Got it? View your recording. Done. So you can click here, view the recording. So here what it is showing, we are getting things ready. It may take a little while. You need to wait. It takes some time actually. So it is loaded now. So if you see, after this is loaded, all the recording, what are the steps I have performed, it is showing here, right? Okay, so in this recordings, so first thing is that we have to take two activities actually. We have to break this into the two activities. Minimum two activities required to proceed with analysis. So I need to add an activity. So you can verify, if you are verify everything in your selection, your steps, you can see your steps, everything here. Okay, so I will add an activity. So you can see on top it is added, opening Excel. I'll make it like collecting visitor information. Okay, then after that, then from here onwards I am entering the data, right? Excel, this is collecting. After that I will add another activity, entering visitor information. Let's say here is invoice, right? Invoices. I went to invoices, so I am adding here invoice entry. I have added minimum two processes are required. Just need to keep this in mind, else it will not go to ready to analyze. Okay, so now I can save it. I can click on ready to analyze. So perfect, now it is ready to analyze. Close it. I'm opening this one. Okay, invoice processing. This is now ready to analyze, right? So here if you see at a glance, it is showing actually the status is draft. It is ready to, status is ready to analyze. Okay, click on analyze. If I click on analyze, it is asking only recording that has switched to ready to analyze will be included, confirm. So now you can see it's continuously flicker for some time, and it will take some time actually. So now status, previously it was draft, now it is analyzing. Now it is showing analyzed. So if it is analyzed, after analyzed you can click on analytics, what is the output of the analytics. Okay, so now here we got our analytics report. So if you see how much time it is taking, so time collecting visitor information, it took 43 seconds, and if you see it's more deeper rate, right? It is taking even more time, 102 seconds it took. So this is how you will identify which is taking more time and what is the average time it is taking for each. Then all these information it will provide one analytics actually, how exactly the time taking by the system. On that basis you can take the decision that which system needs improvement. Okay, hopefully this gives clear idea what is process advisor and how process advisor helps in the organization. Thank you very much.